first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello, today we're going to be working on a Frigidaire side by side. The model number it's on the display. And the problem that we're having with this refrigerator is that it's flashing H1. As you see, it's flashing H1 where it says refrigerator. Now this error code means that the temperature inside the refrigerator side is above 55 degrees. If it would be flashing on the freezer side, it's because the temperature in the freezer side is above 26 degrees. Now the complaint is that the refrigerator side is not cooling enough. So you need to find out why it's not cooling. Check the thermistor, but in this case I can see that the damper has problems. Now the first thing you need to do is turn it off. And now we're going to go ahead and proceed to replace the air damper on the refrigerator. First thing we're going to do is remove 1/4 screws. They are in the front is going to be 3 screws that holds this top panel where the main control is. Now it's another 1/4 right by the damper. Just get a screwdriver or your drill to remove the 1/4 screws. It's a long screw, so you have to go ahead and twist it quite a bit to be able to remove it. Then there's another one right down the middle, 1/4 screws, and that's where the whole panel comes off. Go. There's one more cable. That one doesn't come out. Just remember where you remove it from and remove the whole piece out. Just try to set it in the counter or anywhere, table, anywhere where you can replace the air damper. And this is the brand new damper. I will put the part number on the description. Let's put the stuff on the side. And here we have the brand new air damper. This will resolve your error code, and the refrigerator side should start working the way it's supposed to. Now this area brings some glue. You have to remove this glue much as you can because the new piece brings this type of like a silicone glue, but it's very sticky. Try to remove the thermistor out of the old damper and go ahead and adjust it on the new damper. Just try to take pictures before you remove anything in case you don't remember how it goes. Just go back and see your pictures, and that's gonna help you. I always do that in every job. Go ahead and put all your connectors the way it's supposed to. and sit it in place as you see on the video. Now just go ahead and try to put everything back like it was. This wire, just plug it where you remove it from and plug your harness just like it was. Sorry, but I have my GoPro on my forehead, so just trying to do this job by myself, and sometimes it's a little tricky. Start putting all your 1/4 screws. Sometimes this piece, it will be a little tricky to put it back in place, but just be patient until you find where the screws should be going in. Now I got it right this time, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do the one in the middle. I thought that it was already there, but it wasn't. So yes, do it as you see on the video, and this will repair your refrigerator side not cooling Frigidaire side by side. Sometimes when I remove the screws, I use the drill, but when I put it back, I don't want to over tighten it with the drill, so I just do it by hand. Just press the on button. The air code should go away. If it doesn't go right away, it will erase the air code in a couple days. Everything is working the way it's supposed to. I was able to hear the air damper open, and everything is working perfect. I'm just checking, make sure it's air coming out. Check if everything is good in the freezer side. Put your light bulb back where it goes. And it's blowing the way it's supposed to. As you see right there, you can see the damper open. It wasn't doing what it was supposed to, and now it is working. And that's what basically it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.